So the question says, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then value of the expression sin square a plus cos c into cos a into cos b minus cos c plus cos b into bracket cos a into cos c minus cos b is equal to. So let us solve the question. Sin square a plus cos c into cos a into cos b minus cos c can be written as we know a plus b is equal to c. So c can be written as c is equal to minus of a plus b, right? So this angle will be cos minus of a plus b plus cos b into cos a dot cos b cos a into cos c minus cos of b. Now cos of b can be written as minus cos of a plus c, right? So now let us expand this. Sin square a plus cos c into bracket cos a into cos b minus cos minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. So cos of minus a plus b will be cos of a plus b. So how to to expand the bracket, we will use the formula of cos a plus b, which is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this will be cos a minus sin will stay as it is. So cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, right? Similarly here cos b into cos a into cos c minus cos of minus a plus c will become cos of a plus c, using the formula cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. So again expand using the formula cos a plus c will be cos a cos c minus sin a sin c. Alright. Then this will become so here plus cos a cos b and minus cos a into cos b will get cancelled, and then inside the bracket we will get cos c into minus plus sin a sin b, right? Again cos b plus cos b into plus cos a cos c minus cos a cos c will get cancelled, minus into minus, this will become plus sin a sin c. Then in the next step so now let us multiply the brackets to sin square a plus cos c sin a sin b plus cos b sin a sin c. So here we can take sin a common. So here there will be sin square a, let this be as it is. Then let's take sin a common. So you will get cos c sin b, cos c sin b plus cos b sin c, right? So we can rearrange this now. Sin square a plus sin a into sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. So now it is evident that in the bracket we have the formula of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this is the formula of sin A plus B. So in this case it will be sin B plus C. So we can write this as sin square A plus sin A into sin B plus C. Right, now we know using what is given in the question, A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So B plus C is equal to minus A, right? As it is given to us that A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So using that we can write B plus C is equal to minus A. So here B plus C can be written as plus sin A into sin of minus A, right? Then it can be written as sin square A. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So this will become minus sin square A. So your answer is 0. Thanks for watching.